Hi everyone, this is a love reading for those of you whose names begin with the alphabet L, and I've kept two piles here, or two decks, or two groups here. So this is group number 1. If you want, you can go with this stone or this deck. This is the deck. All right, and for group number 2, if you want, you can go with this stone. All right, and this is the second deck or the second pile. These two, both of these are healing stones. This is red jasper, and this is your agate. This heals your heart chakra, and this heals your root chakra. All right, so choose your pile and go to your pile and check your reading. Let's begin with group number 1. Those of you who chose this deck and whose names begin with the letter L, what is the reading for these people? Masters of the universe, angels, please guide us. What can they expect in their love life for the next 7 days? I think some of you have gone through some kind of spiritual awakening, because I feel some cooling sensations on my third eye. So some of you have surrendered to the divine related to any chaos that has been created in your love life because of any third party situation, or maybe because of your partner himself or herself. So I see that you have meditated a lot, and your ego issues have been resolved, not as in the relationship, but within your own personality. You are now one with the divine, almost about to get completely surrendered to the divine. All right, so this is what I can sense of. Next we have is the Hanged Man here. Yes, so I already said you have gone through some kind of transformation in your relationships, and it was not going that smooth. There were issues that were hanged up in the air related to your love life. Maybe you were living in separation from your partners, but there is an energy of healing here. I think some kind of heartbreaking situations you've seen, and you can expect healing in those issues. As I already said, your third eye is being worked on, and your egos are being let down by the God himself. Again, we have the Emperor here. There is an energy of divine masculine, Lord Shiva, Lord Jesus, whosoever you believe in. So they are here who are helping you navigate your way to finding true love in life, because these people look like more of karmics with you, and because there is no compatibility and there are issues, and I mean, it's not looking out to be that great. And we have the Judgment card here. So I think in the times, I feel, not I think, I feel what I can sense of through the energies here is you're going to get choices in your love life in the times coming ahead. Either you'll have a path that will be moving on towards the side of destruction, that is the devil, or you will be having an option to go within, practice meditation. Like this, in this card you can see Lord Buddha is there, he is meditating. So one will be taking you in the direction of meditation, God, spiritualism, right, and another would be the path of healing through romantic love affairs. All right, so this is the reading for you guys.